job from abroad. What does the government has for a fresh comrade studying education in Moi University? Do you expect that student to go to Mujengo? What does the government has for these people? Not Mujengo on affordable housing, not jobs abroad. We want to talk, what does the government do to give a pay slip to these people, not send me to Mujengo 450 and I'm studying for 1 million. Point number two, briefly, about funding model. You say the old funding model, the government saw that they could not afford to pay the 80%. My question is, where are they getting the money to give us loans in form of scholarships? If they could not fill the 80%, pesa inatoka wapi sai?
Anyone who remembers his name? Say Magina.
My name is Seth Keegan, University of Eldoret student.
Pigia him a coffee. Now. I need a lady here, and then we answer that, then we come to round 2.
Comrades, I'm not a student. I finished my college 2 years ago, but I have a question. No, I'm still a student.
Let me moderate. Comrades power. Hii ni ya comrades, si ndio? Hii ni ya comrades, si ndio? Haya basi. Nataka uende swali moja. Haya tumsikize. Comrades power. Comrades disperse.
Comrades power. So my point is, you know, as we come from our institutions, there is some of the certain expectation. We need to talk to the ruling party so that they can work on our issues. If you limit us to one question, then definitely if we
ask the question.
Let me now ask a question.
I'll give you the second.
I have three concerns. As much as we are talking matters, youth comrades, Kenya, yes. We as the North Rift comrades also, we have our own issues that we feel like it needs to be addressed. The first issue. Number one, we have the questions which we raise in the cassetted new funding model committee. Of 129 students selected, one student representation from the North Rift. As you can see, these comrades, can they be represented with only one representation of the students? The second concern.
Pole, so that we clarify. There's only one.
The second concern.
Relax. Nataka tuende pole, so that we move with them.
Okay.
One,
the second concern. Yesterday we were following. Yes. Yesterday we were following the Mashujaa Day, and we heard there was a representation of 60 student representation to launch the supposed student accommodation. How many of you were among those who went to Kwale to represent the North Rift? Anyone? No one. Secondly, at least you have done a very good thing to bring us together. We as the North Rift students, starting from the sides of the Trans Nzoia Kitale to the end of Baraton University, all the way to Iten, we are going to march and we are going to request for our representation. Should the government not consider us? Many a times we are in the bedroom, but I feel like we should go to kitchen, we should go to sitting room, because that's where the people are eating at. So, my second concern, now to the professor.
That's number 4.
Yes, now to the professor. Concerning the affordable housing. Behind University of Eldoret, we have the ongoing project. And my students have been going there to tour the project. Can you organize for us at least 20 students to maybe be given an opportunity even to do the forward work, so that we can reduce the number of comrades in Amaring? Wanafunzi wangu wanainama, and if you give a chance of 50 students, then possibly we are going to reduce the number.
Thank you.
The last one.
That is number 5. You asked for 3.
The last one.
You asked for 3. Fair, to fair. You asked for 3. I've given you 4. You imetosha. A lady, I want a lady. I love to respond. A lady. Wanaume mmeongea sana, I need a lady. Nitakupatia round 2. Kwanza wewe ni mtu wa timu yangu, nitakupea. Okay. Your name, your institution, End the question.
Comrades power. My name is Mercy Daisy, a student at KU. Niko na swali moja tu na naendelea kuinsist. Where is our place? Kwa hii table tuko wapi? Kwa hii table, kwa hii UDA tuko wapi kama comrades?
Asante.
Kwa pili, please. NFM. The prof has talked, ameongea mingi, ameinject, has left us completely confused, right? Atuelewi, atuget. Because ukituambia maneno ya band 1 to 5, are you trying to kujaribu kutufanya tusikie vibaya?
Okay. That is number 2. Thank you. What college do you come from?
I come from RVTTI. Allow me to express. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm clarifying something. It was a comment, so it's like 1 minute, okay? Thank you. Number one, you see these comrades are very angry, and they told you very early in the morning. So these people, they need facilitation and refreshments such that they get energy to inject and reject what they don't deserve. The second thing is leadership. You see student leadership in UDA, they are taking puppets and then they brand them the leadership of comrades from all campuses only to users. We will not allow that one. Then on the other thing, you've had several comrades who are here are from Moi University. And Moi University, we have not learned for now like 2 months. And these people, I want them to use the same speed they use in impeaching the deputy president regarding Gachagua to solve the issues of Moi University. We will not allow that one. We will not allow that one. Then on the last thing, the new funding model, Mr. Professor. You say you are in the presidential advisory team. The president on the new funding model, can you tell these comrades that a student studying education who is going to earn 35 to 40,000 is going to have a whooping loan of up to $500,000, earning 30,000 and a loan of $500,000? Are you going to pay the fees? Are you even going to survive? Are you going to build a home for your family? Are you going to change your life? Bwana, it is time to reject this thing. We are not comfortable.
Please clap for him. Clap for him. Now, I want you to give me your ears.